There's only four things stock prices can do, and how you react to that tells a lot about whether or not you've got the kind of companies you should have in your portfolio or you don't. They can either go up and up, that's the easy one, and you can make a decision whether or not you add to those winners or whether you rebalance and take some profits off the table, but that's really the easiest of the four. The next one is they go up, then they go down. That's noise. Or they go down, then they go up. It's just noise. It only becomes important if they go up a substantial amount, and then you can always use the rule of if it subsequently drops X%, you'll sell Y, where X is 5, 10, 15, 20, and you'll sell Y based on your risk appetite. Or in the case of a substantial drop, which is the fourth type, and this is the telling thing, you should have the kind of company which when it falls, you're actually quite pleased because you could buy more at a cheaper price, knowing that as a fundamentally sound company, it will in any event rise. So if you noticed, if that is your attitude, that what if the worst happens, that can dictate what you do in all the others and the kind of portfolio you've got. So how do you get to the kind of company where you'd be excited if it falls? Well, for me, it's the data. Are they undervalued? Are they growing? Are they generating income? So value, growth, income, good sortinos, i.e. good high average returns historically, very often don't fall, and if they fall by small amounts, which you can also do by looking at price charts for free actually on Yahoo if you don't understand what sortinos are and you want to keep it simple and visual. That's the critical factor. Is it the kind you'd want more of when it fell, or would you think, oh my God, what have I done? If you're in the oh my God, what have I done category, you're a gambler, you're a risk taker, irrational usually, and you think you're a trader who's going to make lots of money and get rich quick. None of those things are going to happen. You're just going to lose a lot of money very quickly. Okay. Please share this, save this. If you share and save it, more people will get to see it, and I'll do more of these. Thank you.